What's up, guys? Today I have a Power Pilates workout. It's beautiful. The sun is rising. We're on the beach here, and I'm so excited to share this with you. So we'll walk through the moves first, and then we'll do it together all out. So starting out, we've got some dynamic power planks. So I have my mat here. I'm gonna come down to all fours. So coming to my hands and my toes, we're gonna do a straight arm plank. If you need to modify, you can always work from the knees, but try working on the toes. You're gonna pull your knee across to your opposite elbow. So draw your right knee across and step it back. Left knee across, step it back. Keeping that back flat, chest is not chest, abs are in and fingers are spread apart. So alternating there for 30 seconds. After that, we're gonna go right into a kneeling side kick. So we'll stay on our hands and our knees, make that nice tabletop position, back is flat, and starting with the left side, we'll do 15 seconds. So drawing that left knee up. Notice that my knee never comes in front of the other knee. Keep the knees in line. Just drawing that rainbow shape with the left side, 15 seconds on the left, and then flip around. We'll do 15 seconds on the right. I'm flipping just to show you guys my front leg. Same positioning on both sides. From there, we're gonna go right into our swan. So I'm gonna stay on my mat, but I'm bringing my face down towards the mat. So gently, carefully, lower down to your mat. Now bring your arms to a W, so arms are bent, slight angle, feet are hip width apart. Squeeze your back and squeeze your butt to lift everything up. So think of this as a modified Superman, but we're gonna call it Swan here. Think nice long neck, gazes forward right at the ground, and extend those legs nice and straight for me. Squeezing your butt, working through the backside, strengthening and lengthening the spine. Holding that for 30 seconds. From there, we're gonna flip over to do our roll-ups. So coming down, getting a little sandy here, laying on my back, I will roll up like a fruit roll-up. So think arms overhead, and you're going to roll up slowly, reaching for the toes. So think about 5 counts on the way down, and then on the way up, think arms, chin, abs, and then reach forward towards the toes. We're gonna do that for 30 seconds. And last but not least, we have scissors. So staying on our back side, I'm gonna lift my shoulder blades about 1 inch off the mat. Arms are forward, bringing one leg overhead, the other leg is hovering, alternating the switches of the legs. Maybe leaning the shoulder slightly towards that opposite leg, switching for 30 seconds. And after that, you are done. That is your Power Pilates routine. You've seen the moves, you know what to do. Let's do it together all out. Starting from the top, we've got those dynamic core planks, you get what I'm saying. So come onto your hands and your toes, remember your modifications, 30 seconds and go. Drawing opposite elbow to opposite knee. Think like your upper body is in cement here. You may have a slight twist through the abs, but try to keep your hips squared off towards the mat and draw that opposite knee to opposite elbow. Remember, if you need, you can always drop to the knees at any time, but keep that back nice and flat. Keep those fingertips sprawled. Make sure you're squeezing your butt. Try to even touch that knee to opposite elbow. 2 and 1, beautiful. Drop right down to the knees, 15 seconds, and go. Lifting that knee right up to the sky for these kneeling kicks. Kind of like a fire hydrant, like a dog does when he lifts his leg. Just 15 seconds on the left, 15 seconds on the right. Remember, never bringing that left knee in front of the right. It always stays behind it. Just making that nice rainbow shape. Almost there, and we'll switch around. We got 3, 2, and 1, beautiful. I'm gonna switch just so you can see my front leg. And go, drawing that knee right up to the sky. Nice flat back here. You literally are making a tabletop position, so your back should be nice and flat. And just draw that knee right up. Like somebody is opening up through the hips. Opening you up through the hips. That's what I meant to say. Keeping the knees in line. Keeping that gaze right between the hands for 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. All right, from there we're going right into Swan. So you didn't have to flip around. I just did because I wanted to face this way. Coming to the front side of your body, bring your arms to that W. Keep the gaze lifted. Lift everything up. Lift the legs an inch off the ground. Feet are hip width apart. Make sure you're squeezing everything. Really draw your shoulders back and down here. Try to press them down towards your feet, keeping your gaze right at the ground in front of you. Remember, lengthening your neck, lengthening your spine. Squeeze your butt here. Definitely important to squeeze your butt. And really hold this stretch. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Go ahead and carefully press it up before flipping onto that back side for your roll-ups. Remember, like a fruit roll-up, we're just gonna roll right up to the top. So coming down, arms overhead, and go. Rounding up to the top and reach. Really let your abs do the work here. You want the abs to be engaged. So think, not motion, think activating the abs over momentum. So try to take the momentum out of it and really engage your abs here. Let's enjoy the beautiful sunrise. Arms, chin, abs, little reach forward. We're gonna do one more of these. Last one. Beautiful. And last but not least, we have our scissors. So staying on your backside, carefully come down, bring those shoulder blades an inch off the ground, right leg up to start, left leg hovers, and switch. Scissor switches to the finish line, alternating those switches of the legs, maybe lean that opposite shoulder in towards the opposite leg. Try to keep those legs stick straight and stop your leg when it comes in line with your hip. So you don't need to bring your toes to your nose. Just bring it in line with the hip, directly up at that 90-degree angle. So finish it out strong. Your abs will thank you later. For 3, 2, 1. Woo. Bring your knees into your chest and rock up to seated. You guys, that was awesome. That was your Power Pilates. If you liked that, make sure you check out all of our other workouts. We have a ton more for you. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click that link below and check out our other workouts, recipes. We've got it all. See you guys next time.